Hi guys, now I have the Volume 1 Animal Crackers. This is also by TJW Artistic Creations. It's a companion book to the Alphabet Soup one. This one is filled with bite-sized funny coloring pages with all kinds of little critters. Each page has a silly saying to accompany the image, and I hope it'll bring a smile to your face. It's been designed to be able to be finished in 1 or 2 sittings. For those who quickly lose interest, don't have excessive time, or just need that instant gratification of finishing a piece. I decided to take the general consensus of single-sided images to accommodate the use of markers, fine liners, and gel pens, but I would suggest using a blotter sheet under your picture in progress. As always, stay happy, stay calm, and color on. TJW Artistic Creations. Tammara Wright. Pretty cool, right? Let me get a little closer. There. Maybe you can see this better. So on the back side, you got the Animal Crackers logo. And you are my very best friend. How cute is that? You are the apple of my eye. Are you kidding me? You want to take me out? Me out? I can't. I'm washing my hair. How cute is that? I hope you guys can see this alright. If you can't, tell me. I am so fond of you, my dear. How cute. Oh, mouse. You are dynamite, and you make me sore. That's cute. Time's dragging on without you. For those of you that like dragons, sigh. How cute is that? So cute. I love you. I love you. Yeah. My Peyton's awake looking at me like I'm nuts. She ain't looking in too good of a mood either. I'm very certain I love you. Yes. She's not talking. Would you like to go out with me, Foxy Lady? We already did that, didn't we? I find you totally riveting. Oh my gosh, these are too adorable. Hello, beautiful. Will you be mine? No crossbreeding. There's a smile. Just for a second. There's a smile. Oops. Your feelings are never irrelevant. I love you. So cute. Chilly in here, isn't it? Iguana tell you I love you. Iguana tell you I love you. Make room for cake. Say we always have room for cake. Cake and popcorn. You're a cutie, you know that? To quality hugger. Top quality hugger. That's cute. Top quality hugger. You like that one? You occupy my heart. So cute. Bless you. Bless you. I love you. I love you too. You know, that's funny because me and Abby always did that after seeing that movie. Shoot, I can't remember the name of it, but it had the girl in it that was developmentally delayed. And when we're in a crowd or whatever, we'll say olive juice to each other because When you mouth it, it looks like I love you. So you say olive juice and it looks like you're saying I love you. So me and Abby always say olive juice to each other. You are my otter half. We were made for each otter. How funny are these? They're funny, honey. I'll always love you. Who loves you? I'll always love you. Peyton's looking at me like I'm nuts. Want to hang out? I'm philosophical. That's me. I'm a sloth. Yeah, I'm a sloth. Perfect pair. Sealed with a kiss. Sealed with a kiss. Oh, I wish you guys had my view. These kids are too beautiful. You are quite the catch. Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Talk to me. I wish you a happy St. Patrick Rex Day. St. Patrick T-Rex Day. So sweet, so cute. I think you are somebody special. Yeah, you are somebody special. And a blotter page. So cute. Looking for a quick coloring bite. 25 single-sided pages of funny little, punny little critters. Very cute. Animal crackers to go along with alphabet soup. Adorable.